Wait. I cannot tell if I'm streaming or not. I am? Hold up, hold up. Oh shit. I actually am. That's so weird. Okay. Anyways, let me take this shit off. I was just testing. I was just testing random shit. See if like I can get the live stream working. I guess I did. I guess I did. So right now I installed OBS on my laptop. For some reason OBS worked, but yeah, just for some reason OBS worked. I don't get it. I don't get why OBS worked instead of just the normal webcam on YouTube. But I guess this works. It's been a while. Feels a bit weird. But yeah, it's been a while. Anyways, it's 9:47 p.m. right now, and I need to study. I really do. I couldn't study even though I didn't try. So I was just fiddling around with YouTube and see if this shit works. But anyways, the reason why this stream is titled 150 hours is because that is the amount of time I have left until my inevitable trial with comments. So because of this, I think 150 hours can be split to three. So I have three subjects that I have to do: physics, accounts, and godforsaken Chinese. I think Chinese I'll only spend like 20 hours, leave the rest for physics and accounts. But for now, I'm not doing anything. Um, I completed one essay. That's basically what I did the whole day. So I would say it's pretty bad right now. It really is. So I put that aside. What I really want to do is physics. Today was meant to be physics, but I had stuff to do. I had to do a lot of chores, shit like that. Uh, which cost me pretty much the whole day. Nah, I wouldn't say that. Cost me a lot. I didn't do much, and tomorrow I'll actually not have distractions. Thank God the live stream can actually work, so I can live stream tomorrow. But that's not really the point. The point is, at least my setup's working, and I just want to study from all the way from the beginning, which means I have to do like the chapters that I absolutely fucking despise in this subject. All right. Yeah. Let's get straight onto it. I cannot give a fuck anymore. I think that's how you do it. All right. So this we do this. Okay, we do this. I still don't understand how OBS works. I cannot be asked, but yeah, let's just. I'll I do wanna sleep, so I think I'll just finish Force and Motion Part 1 today, and tomorrow I'll need to finish chapter 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, right? 2, 3, 4, and two. Okay. If I finish chapter 2, 3, 4 tomorrow, and one the daily Chinese essay, I would also have to at least do one chapter of accounts, so I won't get absolutely fucked. Alright.
之前的速度，因为它是 stationary，指的是不动，它平下去滑下去。给它告诉你它是 stationary，所以这 stationary 只要告诉你一开始是不动的，所以一开始的速度是0 meter per second。然后告诉你 velocity reaches 8 meter per second，就是说它最后的速度是8。Okay, within 5 seconds，所以这是 t。这里找 acceleration experienced by the trolley，所以我们搬出 acceleration 的 formula 就是 change in velocity over time，所以就是我的 v 减 u 之后速度减之前速度除上时间。所以之后的速度会是8之前的速度，因为它是 stationary， 指的是不动，就是没有速度，除上时间，所以8除5，它的答案是 1.6 meter per second square。下去我们来看一台机器，这台机器在你实验室用的，这台机器通常是用来测你的一个 object 的速度，还有一个 object 的那个 acceleration 用。OK， 这个 digger timer 它是一个会一直在纸上，在你的这个 digger tape 转动的一个 machine 的，它是 connect 去一个 motor 的，这个 motor 它的 frequency 是50 Hz。也就是说，你的针它在1秒里面它会穿50个洞，OK， 所以换算回来的话，就是一个洞大概会花0.02秒那样。OK， 然后旁边这是你的 digger tape， 就是这条拿出来看。我们通常会拿绑着一个 object， 然后让这个 object 运动的话会滑，它会带动这个 digger tape， 然后上面会有传动。OK， 这里要注意一个是，我们可以从这个 digger tape 里面找到我们的时间，还有我们的 displacement。所以 displacement 的话，你就算它的长度，这个 tape 的长度就是它的 displacement。OK， 至于时间的话，因为我们知道它一个洞花0.02秒嘛。OK， 那么这里一个洞的区间就是0.02秒，这里会花0.02秒，这里会花0.02秒，这里也是，这里也是。OK， 所以你可以算有多少个区间，1、2、3、4，所以这条一个 tape 它总共花的时间会是4乘上0.02秒，也就是0.08秒。OK， 所以现在你有 displacement， 你有 time 了，你就可以算它的 average velocity 出来。那我们来看看要如何从你的 digger tape 这里找到你的 average velocity。OK， 所以我们一样，我们看这个 digger tape， 这个 digger tape 还有一个 direction of motion， 指的是它是往这里拉的。OK， 所以这里是起点，这里是终点。OK， 首先我们去量它的长度，长度就是 displacement。OK， 接着我们看有多少个区间呢？ OK， 多少个区间？这里总共有6个区间，所以所花的时间会是6乘0.02秒，0.02秒。OK， 接着的话，我们的速度就是拿你的 displacement 除 time，12除0.02秒，你就会算到它的整条 digger tape 的 average velocity。接着我们来看要如何去算它的 acceleration。acceleration 的话，我们看 formula。acceleration 的话，它是速度的变化，delta v 除 delta t， 所以就是 v 减 u 除 t。所以你要算 acceleration 之前，你必须要有一个 final velocity 之后的速度，还有之前的速度。我们看这个 digger timer 里面，你要怎样找到这个 v 跟 u？ 对，所以让我们 digger timer 的 direction of motion 是这个方向的，所以是往右边拉的。所以往右边拉的话，这里就是起点 ，OK， 这里就是我们的终点。OK， 所以我们可以算起点一开始它的速度是多少，那我们再看后面这里的速度是多少。我们要算 initial velocity， 我们通常会拿最前面的第一个区间，它的来算它的 velocity。所以我们可以拿第一个区间它的长度除上第一个区间所花的时间，所以这个是1 cm， 这是一个点的距离。OK， 所以除0.02秒，可以拿到50 cm per second。要注意提示，你算的 u 它是 average velocity 啊。OK，average velocity for first interval。所以它的位置会在这里。OK， 你当你的车走到这个位置的时候，这个 u 就是它的速度。接着反正 velocity 的话，你要拿最后的一个区间呢。可以拿最后一个区间的长度除上它的时间 ，OK， 这里是一个点的距离，所以时间是0.02秒，所以200 cm per second。所以有 final velocity 有 initial velocity， 我们就可以算 acceleration 了，就把 v 放进来 ，u 放进来，减除上时间200减50。这里只会提示你的时间对吗？你时间不是拿6了 ，OK， 因为你的 v 它是在这个位置 ，u 是在这个位置，那我们从 v 到 u 你去算它的话，有经过多少个格？OK， 这里是1格、2格、3格、4格，所以这里有4格。可是前面这里的话，它是半格。后面这也是半格，所以总共会少掉一个点的距离，所以这里要拿6减1，或者你拿4加1半减3，也就是5乘上0.02，所以除出来的话，你就可以拿到它的 acceleration。接下来我们来看你的这个题目 ，describe the motion based on the digger tape below。所以我们来看第一个的话，你发现它点跟点的那个区间是一样的 所以 for 第一个的话，它是 no acceleration，因为它是 constant velocity，因为它速度是一样的，所以它走的距离每一秒都是，同一时间里面走的距离都是一样的。可以看 B 的话，你发现这里是 direction motion 是这里，所以这里是起点，可以右边是一开始的，所以一开始你会发现走很短了，然后越走越长，越走越远，所以这个是你可以写它有 constant acceleration，它在加速。OK，for C 的话，一样我们看前面这里，前面这里发现它可以走很远，然后越走越短，越走越短，越走越短，所以这个是你可以讲它有 constant deceleration，也或者你可以讲它有 constant 的 negative acceleration 都可以。可以看 Donkey 的，OK，Donkey 一开始这里发现越走越慢，越走越慢，越走，可是你发现到后面好像后面的区间好像一样，所以 for 这个的话它是 constant deceleration，OK，constant deceleration，and then constant velocity。
And then
那你可以讲 the object move with constant deceleration at the end move with constant velocity。OK，那第五题这个是它告诉你这个是 dictate，这个 dictate 的话，我们divided into straight with equal number，这个就是这里每个5个区间我减掉，然后我点上去。OK，然后叫你 calculate the acceleration of the toy car。所以 for 这题的话，我们也是要找 u 跟 v。OK，这里的话少了几个数据哦，我先246八。OK，所以我们要算 acceleration，我们必须拿 v 减 u 除 t。所以这里的话，v 的话你要拿之后的速度，u 拿之前的速度。所以之前速度你可以从第一个 straight 那边找。OK，所以 u 的话会是你第一个 straight 的长度是16，16 cm。OK，除上第一个 straight 所花的时间，这里总共1、2、3、4、5个点，所以5乘0.02秒。OK，所以这个给出160 cm per second。啊，虽然 time 不需要，所以这个不需要，cm per second。OK，接着我们来算你的 final velocity。final velocity 就看最后一条，所以最后一条长度会是4。OK，最后一条长度会是4 cm。最后一条长度也是一样会是5个点，所以5乘0.02秒，所以这个会4除5乘0.02。OK，它会是40 cm per second。OK，那么 A 的话，你就拿 v 减 u 除 t，也是一样，你要算这个 dictate 的时候，那个 t 要小心。所以160减40，它的 t 的话注意，OK，它 t 要注意。所以这个是5个洞，OK，5个区间，这个是5个洞，这个是5个洞。那么 for 这里的话会少掉，也会是2.5个洞，一般的这里也会是2.5个洞，所以总共会有多少个洞？5加5加5加2.5加2点，所以就是我的20个洞，乘0.02。OK，所以这个你算出来会是我们的300 cm per second square 这样子。OK，原因也是一样，因为你的 v 跟 u 对吗？是你的第一个 take 跟最后一个 take 的 average velocity 来的。OK，所以这个是在这里的，你的 v，你的 u 在这里。OK，所以你的 u 在这里 ，v 在这里。OK，所以从这点跳过来，你的 v 总共会少掉一个 take 的长度，也是5个点的。
wait. Okay, so wait, what? If here A equals final velocity minus initial, that means this one that he's finding is the initial, I think. Here is initial. So the initial is 16 cm, displacement divide time, which is 5 frequency, and 0.02 seconds. Is this? And this is the final because the final is here. Which, yeah, makes sense. Why is Why is it not 40 minus 160? Just why, why, why do you have to change it? And 20 times 0.02. I got 20. Everything. Oh. 5, 10, 15, 20. Right. Okay. That makes sense. But this doesn't. If I switch it, if I switch to 40 minus 160, it's a completely different thing. Like what the shit? What the shit? Nobody's talking about this. Oh, you write backwards. Oh, I think. Okay, this guy might be cooked for SPM. But that was 2 years ago. Okay, I haven't reached here. Starts from the right. Average velocity. Oh, oh yeah, because minus. Yeah, yeah, I know that. So teacher is wrong. Teacher is just straight out wrong. V U. This is U. Initial. This is V. Final. Okay, so like, if direction motion is here, we take the one from here. Why is the direction motion here, but then like, we usually go from right to left? If it's right to left, it's constant deceleration, right? Decelerate. Right to left is constant acceleration. But direction motion is here. Okay. Maybe the book is more reliable. Constant acceleration. Constant deceleration. What? Okay, so if it's constant acceleration, the direction, if the book says direction of motion here, and if it's like more dots to less dots, it's constant accelerate. So you have to go opposite. So like if it's go here, then you have to go here. So go here, then you go here. Yeah. Guess just go opposite, I guess. acceleration. What is wrong? It is just decreasing acceleration because if it's there, then dot from small to big is decreasing acceleration. If it's there, small to big, there, small to big, there, small to big is negative acceleration. Is that how you know? How do you spell acceleration? ACCELERATION. Acceleration. This is very comprehensive, and I'm gonna fail this shit. Okay, but this one I have to see where do you get the initial. Initial velocity from S1, which is at the most left. The most left is initial velocity. The most right is final. The chart is so annoying. Just 5 minus 1. Just remember the time is always just 5 minus 1. All of it minus 1. All of it minus 1. But then I don't get. See? This is fucking bullshit. The teacher teach that you take the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. You have to times the second. Oh shit, yeah you do. It's just this book is fucking dog shit. The dots must times the second. Dots times second. Yeah, this book is just dog shit, bro. Alright, makes sense. Move along.
因为你的 v 跟 u 对吗？是你的第一个 take 跟最后一个 take 的 average velocity 来的，所以这个是在这里的，你的 v，你的 u 在这里。所以你的 u 在这里 ，v 在这里。所以从这点跳过来，你的 v 总共会少掉一个 take 的长度，就是5个点的这个时间。接下去我们来进入下一个 part， 就是 linear motion equation。for linear motion 我们会有这4个 equation，来算你的那个 v 啊、u 啊、a 啊、t、s 之类的。那么有一个问题就是你们可能不知道什么时候要用哪个 equation。所以我们来看你的旁边这个 formula 里面 ，formula 里面的话，你看完4个里面总共会有5个 variable， 也就是 s、u、v、a、t、displacement、initial speed、final speed、acceleration 跟 time。那再注意看每个 equation 里面它只有其中4个 variable 吧。你看第一个 equation 里面它是没有 s 的。第二个 equation 它没有 a， 第3个 equation 它是没有 v， 第4个 equation 是没有 t。 OK，然后通常题目的话，你看整个题目里面，它通常会只给你4个 variable，3个是提供给你的，1个是让你找的，所以你就去对应看题目给你哪几种 variable，然后叫你找哪一个 variable，题目只会提供给4个，那就 check 看这个4个 equation 里面哪个有齐，有齐你的题目给你的4个的那个 variable。来，我们来看例子。OK，不要我们来看你 example 6第一题，a car move
Is Suvat given in the exam? Let me check. Yeah, Suvat is given. Oh, then this shit's easy, bro. This shit easy. Okay, from rest to acceleration of 5. Calculate final velocity. So, actually have to write this shit down. So, Suvat. The time is 10 seconds. I need to find the final. Acceleration is 5. Uniform velocity. Initial. So the initial is A divide A equals acceleration equals what? V over time. Yeah, V over time. So if acceleration is 5 and time is 10, the initial V should be 50. 50 ms negative 1. Displacement is not given as well. Oh, displacement is 0. So I need I need to find V. There's one that says V equals U plus AT. So if U is 5 plus acceleration is 5, what? U is 50 plus acceleration is 5 times time, which is 10. So the final velocity is 100.
from rest，所以 rest 我知道 u 跟 u 等于0，所以题目给你 u。With an acceleration of 5 meter per second，所以题目给你 a in 10 second t，然后题目你找什么？叫你找 v。OK，所以你看题目有出现哪几个 variable u a t v，那么你去 check 回盖上面那4个 formula 哪个有 u v a t，OK，只有 u v a t 的，那就是我们的第一个 formula v 等于 u 加 a t。OK，你发现这个 formula 里面是没有 s 哦，OK，所以你题目也是有 u a v t，你就选这个，OK，所以这个你就放进去算就好了。OK，u0 5乘10，所以是50 meter per second。我们再看第二题啊，先看题目给你什么先，我们看它 a boy running on the track。
So you don't even have to find the U, you just put 0. Fuck, okay. I guess I'm wrong. I tried. Alright. Boys running on track. Velocity is 3. So velocity is 3, then which one? Initial. And after 5 seconds. Okay, so its initial velocity is 3. And then after 5 seconds, which is time, its velocity reach 5. So the final velocity is 5. And then calculate displacement. He accelerated. That doesn't mean it's acceleration. So all velocity, find displacement. So I need SU VT. SUVT. Okay, I just found the formula. S equals 1 over 2. And U is 3. Initial plus final, which is 5. And then times 5, which is 10. And put that in the calculator. 20. So 20 meters is the displacement.
His velocity is 3 meters per second. Okay, he accelerated after 5 seconds, his velocity will be u。时间是 t， 出现 UVTS 的是这个，所以就用这个，再用这个，全部丢下去，1/2，3加5乘5。OK， 这样子就算答案。OK， 再看最后一题，最后一题是 a stone was released from a cliff which is 50 meter high， 所以有一个山坡50米，有一个石头，有一个人把石头丢下去。What will be the time taken for the stone to reach the ground? Taking g as 10 meters per second。所以题目给了你这个 s，s 这个长度。OK， 接着石头它是放下来的，所以石头一开始的速度是0，你也有了。OK， 然后叫你找什么？你找时间。OK， 另外给你石头的加速。OK， g a 也会等于 g。OK， 所以这个题目里面你有 TSUA， 看回前面那个 formula， 你唯一可以用的是这个 S 等于 UT 加102 AT square。OK， 然后把所有东西放进去，50，这个是0。OK， 1/2 A 是10T square， 所以这个50 times 2 divided by 10， 10会等于 T square，T 就等于 square root 10。OK， 所以记得先找题目给你什么，在处理这一个 part 的题目之前，先看题目给你什么先，然后对应去那4个 formula， 看那4个 formula 有期望你的这个题目出现的 variable 吗？你就用那个。OK， 那这里的老师是有在讨论这个 SPM 的 format 的，有兴趣的话可以加入。接下去我们来看 2.2 的部分 Linear Motion Graph。OK，Linear Motion Graph 的话，我们总共会有3种 graph。第一种 graph 我们叫做 Displacement Time Graph，ST Graph， 这里是 S， 这里是 T。第二种 graph 我们叫做 VT Graph， 就是速度时间的 graph， 这里是 V， 这里是 T。最后一种是 AT Graph，Acceleration Time Graph。通常我们比较 focus 在前面2个 graph， 计算题也是 focus 在前面2个 graph。for 旁边那个 graph， 最后一个 graph 通常是出现在你的选择题的部分。OK， 那么看你的 ST Graph， 首先你要知道我可以从这个 ST Graph 里面得到什么。OK， 我们回顾一下你的 velocity 的那个 definition， 就是你的 rate of change of displacement， 也就是你的 displacement，change in displacement over change in time，delta S 除 delta T。OK，delta S delta T 的话就是你的 S2 减 S1 除 T2 减 T1， 还记得这个 formula 吗？我们的 graph gradient 会等于 Y2 减 Y1，X2 减 X1。OK， 假设你的 graph 的话，这里是 Y， 这里是 X 的话，那么你的 gradient 是这样。现在的话，假设我把 Y 跟 X 换去 S 跟 T，OK， 你这全部变 S，S，T，T。OK， 那么你的 gradient of graph 在这个情况下就是我们的 velocity 了。所以你可以通过计算我们的 ST graph 的 gradient 来找到它的 velocity， 它的速度。那我们来看你的第一种 ST graph， 第一种 ST graph 你看它是平平的。OK，ST graph 的话，除了告诉你速度，你也可以从这个 graph 知道你的 object 的位置在哪里。所以你可以告诉我一开始它在0秒的时候，它位置在这个地方哦。OK， 然后时间再过，你发现一直在同个地方。所以 for 这个 case 的话，它是 stationary， 它没有速度 ，gradient 也会等于0。对。第二种的话，我们来看，第二种它一开始在这个地方，然后越走越远，然后在这个时间点说它已经跑到这个地方来了。所以说我们算它的 gradient 的话，它会是 positive 的 gradient。所以这个的话，你可以讲它有 constant velocity in positive direction。constant 的原因是因为它是直线的，直线的话 gradient 只有一种了。OK， 旁边这个跟这个相反，它也是直线，它也是 constant velocity， 只不过它的 gradient 是 negative， 所以你发现是往另一个方向的在走 ，OK， 往回走，所以你发现它往到 OK 走去远点。那我们接下去来看最一种 graph。最一种 graph 的话，你发现它的 displacement 是曲线，你会发现它其实是越走越快，越走越远越准。时间在变的是，你看它越走越快。否则的话，如果你算 gradient 的话，对吗？它 gradient 在增加。OK，gradient 就是我们的 velocity， 一直在增加。所以否则 case 的话，你的 velocity 一直在增加，我们讲它有 acceleration。接着我们来看你的 VT graph， 从 VT graph 里面我们可以知道2个资料了。一样我们来回顾一下你 acceleration 的 definition， 它是 rate of change of velocity。delta V 减 delta T，delta V 除 delta T， 所以就是 V2 减 V1 除 T2 减 T1， 所以也是你的 VT graph 的 gradient。VT graph 的 gradient 就是我的 acceleration。另外的话，你可以从 area under graph 这里可以找到它的 displacement。area under graph 你可以算到 displacement 出来。我们来看这各种各样不一样的 velocity time graph。第一种的话，你发现它的 velocity 在下面。这个是 velocity 等于0，所以这种情况下它的速度一直是0，所以你可以讲它不动 stationary。可以看第二种的话，第二种的话 velocity 是固定的，代表它的速度一直保持不变。所以速度保持不变的话，你算它的 gradient 是0，所以 acceleration 是0。所以这种情况下，你可以讲它是 uniform velocity in positive direction， 它是有速度的，它速度是固定的，然后它的方向是 positive 的方向。第三种 graph 的话，它是什么？第三种 graph 的话，你的速度在下面这里，是小波形，这是 negative part。所以你可以讲它没有 acceleration， 因为 gradient 是0，它是 uniform velocity， 它速度保持不变，只不过它的速度是在 negative 的 direction。第四种的话，你发现它速度在增加，看吗？它速度在增加，所以你算它 gradient 的话，它是有一个 gradient 不会等于0，它是有一个 positive 的 gradient。所以 VT graph 的 gradient 就是你的 acceleration， 所以 for 这个 case 的话，它有在加速，因为它加速有一个 acceleration，uniform acceleration。最后一种 graph 的话，你发现你速度在掉嘛？速度在掉就代表它在减速，我们可以讲它是 uniform deceleration。你去算它 gradient 的话 ，gradient 是一个 negative 的 gradient， 所以你可以讲它有 acceleration，acceleration 是 negative acceleration， 就在减速的意思。那我们来看这个习题的部分，所以告诉你这有一个 displacement time graph。首先叫你算它的 velocity from 15秒到25秒。所以这个 displacement time graph 里面你要找 velocity， 你要找的是它的 gradient， 所以还要你找15到25秒，就是这条线 ，OK， 15秒、20秒这2条线的 那个 gradient 出来。所以要找 gradient，我们必须先找它的 coordinate，所以这个点的 coordinate 你可以写下去先 x 是15，y 是100。下面这个点的 coordinate 是25 30。所以第一个小题我们算它的 velocity 的话，你就去算这条线的 gradient，就是我们拿 s2 减 s1 除 t2 减 t1。s2 的话是你的之后是 -30，s1 的话是100，所以减100。时间的话，之后时间是25，之前时间是15，所以25减15。所以这个算算看，-30减100。所以这里算出来是-13 meter per second。为什么negative？因为你们发现它是往反方向走。negative 指的是它往反方向。所以你往反方向的话，你发现它 displacement 就是位置啊，它从100 meter 的位置往后走，回到原点，然后回到原点的另一个方向的位置，-30的位置。第二的话，叫你找 total distance。所以 total distance 的话，你要把它所有走过的路都算进去。所以我们可以这样子算。我们把它分，这是第一个 part， 第二个 part， 第三个 part， 第四个 part 跟第五个 part。所以 distance 的话，一开始它从0去到100，所以第一个 part 它走到100。然后接着第5秒到第15秒的时候，它没有在动，没有在动，所以没有走到任何路。然后第三个 part 的话，它从100跑到30，所以从100跑回0先，100跑回0，走到100，再从0跑到-30，它走到30。第四个 part 它没有在动，加0。第5个 part 的话，它从-30走到 positive， 所以这是 positive， 走到 positive 40，所以是走到30加40。70，所以这是我们的 total distance， 所以总共是300个 meter。至于 total displacement 的话，你只要考虑起点跟终点，所以起点在这里，终点在哪里？终点在这里。所以终点在40的地方，所以我们就写你拿起点跟终点的那个距离减一减就好，所以是40 meter。接着我们来看 average speed 跟 average velocity。记得 average 的话，它有不一样的地方，因为你看这个它速度是在变的嘛。虽然 speed 跟 velocity 在每个不同的点它都有不一样的 speed 跟 velocity， 所以当你看 average 的话，它要的是整个的平均，所以你是要拿 total distance 除 total time。for average speed。所以 total distance 的话，你前面算了300个 meter，total time 的话总共花多少？花35秒，所以拿300除35，这个是它的 average speed 8.57 meter per second。for average velocity 要记得 average velocity 也是整个的平均，所以这里的话你要拿 total displacement 除 total time。因为的话，如果你是拿个别的话，因为每个别的1号、2号、3号、4号。
Displacement time graph. Velocity from t15 seconds to 25. So 15 to 25. S1, S2, S1, T2, T1. You can find it's these, not these are negative velocity. Velocity is up, then it's like fuck. Total distance. So you just 100 plus 0 plus 100 plus 30. Well, where did the 70 come from? What? Wait. Is that so? So plus 100 and plus 0 plus 100. Here's 100. Yeah, plus 100, then plus 30, then plus 0, then plus 70 from 30 and 40. That's how you get it. Makes sense. Average speed, so speed is distance over time, but this average is total. So total distance 300, total time 35 seconds. You get this average speed, average velocity, so total displacement. So I'm pretty sure the total displacement, even though teacher didn't write yet, it's just 30. I know, it's just 40. So it's just 40 over 35.
到5号它都有自己的 velocity。average 的话，你要平均的话，你要拿整体的 displacement 除上整体的时间。所以 total displacement 你算了是40，total time 是35，所以40除35，你会拿到 1.14 meter per second。
Yes.
OK，的话总共花多少？花35秒。所以呢，300除35，这个是它的 average speed，是40多个 times BT graph 的 gradient。OK，所以算这个 gradient 也是要我们找它的 coordinate，这是4，这是40，这个是10，这个是 -30。OK，所以 acceleration 我们算一算 acceleration 等于 delta v 除 delta t，也就是 gradient of the VT graph。所以的话是之后的 -30减之前的除10减4。所以这个你可以算一算。也会拿到 -11.67 meter per second square，给代表它在干嘛？它在减速。所以你看这个 graph 它的速度其实在下，它在减速中。negative acceleration 也就是 deceleration。第二个我们算它的 total distance，total distance 就是距离走过的路。所以 for total distance 的话，你要算的是 area under graph。for VT curve，所以的话我们可以把这个分为3个区域，1号区域、2号区域跟3号区域那个 area。所以 total distance 的话，你是拿1号加2号加3号的 area。所以我们看1号的 area，1号的 area 这里是40高度，这边是4，所以是40乘4。OK， 长方形的长度，这边是三角形，所以1/2底乘高，这里会是8减44，这里会是40，所以1/2 4乘40。给第三块区域的话，这个是2。OK， 这里是2，8到10，这里是30，所以三角形1/2 2乘30。OK，所以这个你算算看，它会是270个米。OK，至于 for displacement 的话，要注意一下，for total displacement 的话，你的是1号加2号减掉3号。OK，因为 for 3号这个部分它 velocity 是 negative 的，看吗？OK，所以它是往回走的。OK，3号这个 part velocity 是 negative，你的 object 在往回走，所以往回走的话，你的 displacement 其实会减的，OK， 会少掉。所以这个1号呢是你的40乘4，2号是1/2，4乘40，3号是扣掉1/2 30。OK，所以这个你算算看。
Okay. This is also a bit more harder one, I would say. Velocity time graph. So, if you want to find the acceleration from t 4 seconds 4 to 10, which is a deceleration based on the graph itself. It's literally decelerating. Alright. So final velocity. So it's final velocity minus initial. So final is -30, initial is 40. Divide the final time, final this, you get this. Alright, makes sense. So total distance, you just have distance, only for distance is the area under the graph. I remember learning this in math somewhere. Speed time graph, distance time graph, some shit like that. So if you want to find the distance in the graph, you just take whatever's under the graph. So like this is considered under, this is considered under 1/2 because yes, you get that. Pretty easy. But displacement, it's also under the graph. It also is under the graph. It's just that you have to minus the negative. If it's negative, unlike this, negative velocity, I think. Yeah, negative velocity means it's negative displacement, because displacement is like what, velocity equals displacement over time. So it's directly proportional to displacement. So if the velocity increases, displacement increases. Velocity decrease like this, displacement decrease as well. So that's why you have to minus it. That's total displacement, and the average speed. Speed is distance over time. So distance is like what? Full. You just take all. Yeah, you just take all and divide initial speed. If you wanna see average velocity.
time。所以否则 case 它 total distance 是270，total time 的话，它总共花10秒，270除10，27 meter per second。For average velocity 的话，你拿的是 total displacement 除上 total time。OK，total displacement 前面算的是210除10，所以是21 meter per second。
Oh shit. Yeah, I guess I was correct. Just the total distance divide total time. Total distance divide. One, two, three. Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
那我们今天的部分2.1跟2.。
Alright. It's fucking over. Man. I'm gonna go sleep like now. I was just planning to finish this and then just go sleep. I swear I didn't see you just now. Did I don't know. I'm sleeping now. I already finished. I just finished this already. Why you no go sleep, man? You do accounts, yeah. I also haven't touched physics now. I just started and I am literally on chapter 2. It's already been 1 week. I don't think you're cooked lah, you physics pro max. For me, I also haven't did shit, so I think you're fine. Wait, I need to fix my. Once I fix my glasses, I'm just gonna go sleep. Yeah, I can just turn this shit off. Wait. Alright. Ramly burger. Nighttime Ramly burger. Yeah, makes sense. Midnight Ramly is very understandable. But you eat already, you can sleep one. Usually eating disrupts your sleep, so. philosophy behind it. Yeah lah, but uh, I don't know. I forgot what it was. It's like if you eat already, or your body will produce energy or some shit, and then like you cannot sleep, or you wake up in the middle of the night randomly. It's because uh, that's actually like the amount of hours we have until trial. And also this was just like a test stream because I didn't know if I downloaded OBS and then like streamed it on OBS to YouTube, this I can actually start streaming. So I was just like making random titles and testing shit out. But yeah, 150 hours is like if you minus like 8 to 10 hours of sleep. No, 8 to 10 hours of normal human life stuff, then technically that's the average amount of time that we have left until trial. What this shit? Not the laptop. This is my laptop. You want see it? Because 144 hours is actually 144. Oh, but that's like excluding like sleep and stuff. Because uh, I mean, what else do you want me to prepare for Ujian Pututu? I just start. I'm already like doing public speaking online already, practically. What more you want me to do? Hmm. So shit. Let me try this shit. 211. I'm pretty sure your calculations are actually correct. Well then, like, you have to deal with the most urgent threat. You know what I'm saying? So just do trial first. You seriously not gonna focus on trial at all? I feel like you won't do that. At least study a bit lah. Yup, it sure is. Fuck. Why is it disconnecting? I don't know if you can still hear me. Wait. I don't know if you can still hear me. But you sure you do AdMats only without anything else? Just at maths. I thought I got I thought you would at least like do some accounts, accounting. Why you want lock in at maths so badly? Is it because like last time you got like really bad? Next week. Oh yeah, wait, never mind. What am I saying? Okay. I forgot you guys have admets because I just don't take admets. So I've just been doing BC. Okay, yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Admets, physics, accounts. So you're just gonna wing physics, study accounts next week, and just continue on admets. That's your plan. Okay. Dude, I wish I could do physics, bro. I don't understand. And I also thought I understand chemistry, and then like fucked up so badly. So I don't know how insane this time physics is going to be lah. Yeah, I I just learned Satuf. I literally just learned Satuf. I didn't okay. I thought it would be harder, but it's actually quite easy lah. But then still, I just learned Satuf. I think that speaks volume. You know the displacement, acceleration, initial, final, and time, and like the five formulas or something. I didn't. Okay, first of all, I also didn't know there was formula in the front there. I didn't know that existed. Then I went to check the paper. Then it's literally just right there. I have to just sub values in. Now I know. Now I know. But then all this time I didn't think the force and motion was that easier. How you existed without the formula sheet? I don't know. I that's why I think it's a miracle I even got C for like the past few exams. It's a fucking miracle, bro. So yeah, it's really that bad, at least for me. But I guess if I just use my brain a little bit, I kind of understand. So I'm gonna dedicate the next few days, which I'm actually free to just study physics and accounts. Uh, what I'm weak. I guess you can say like remembering like every single fucking medicine weekend. Medicine, thermochemistry. I just understand bond energy. And I guess redox. Like the electron like how to like count electron, that thing, and also like memorizing the potassium manganate or like dichromate, like what I didn't in the exam, right? I chose redox, but then when I chose the potassium manganate part, when I did the chemical equation, I didn't even know there was H plus in there. Now I know lah. So stuff like that, I have to just memorize. Other than that, I don't think anything else is really bad. It's just those two. But I won't be surprised if I even get like C this term for chemistry, because I feel like I just did horrible. Yo, you know, if I get B for BC, I'm probably like actually cheating. Do you understand? Like getting B in Chinese for me is like the equivalent of getting A plus in Sejarah. Yeah, I guess it's actually the equivalent, because I my target for BC is like C, and that is like I think the lowest out of every subject. It really is. It actually is for me. I don't understand how they do it, but everyone else is like just genuinely leaks better. If you compare me to normal students, like maybe like Patrick, I'm probably at like from one level, from maybe at best lah, from two level of comprehension in Chinese. So that's why like my my highest that I got, I think it was 48, which is D, which is last term. Okay, if I guess, but then like it's technically still better than quite a few people in AdMats. 48. And also my mom wants me to get Chinese, so like, and I don't want to take 10 subjects. I would just probably die on the spot. But yeah, even though I write Chinese essays every day, I cannot do it, man. It's too fucking hard. 4A in SPM, 48 in SPM. Um, Chinese. I guess you're right, because the standard in Chinese is actually quite normal, unlike the AdMats, which quite a lot of people fuck up. So the Chinese, like the standards for Chinese, is actually still there, and a lot of people are just better. You're right, but my maths might be equally as bad. Uh, I would say I'm cooked, but then like, I've did my preparations, so I just hope the luck is on my side. I won't give up on Chinese, but it's not my priority. I just want to do well in physics and accounts. Or else Khalid will keep complaining in parents here. How you know? Friday. How you know? Oh wait, their birthdays are the same day. Oh, I thought you meant like their outing because they actually got like one like birthday meet up outing thing somewhere. Uh, I didn't want to go. That's why I not going. I thought you were talking about that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's going. He can live one day without studying, but I would fail. Were you invited? Where would I go this Merdeka? Like, oh, I guess there's this one burger place that has like 7 ringgit burger where the original price is like 20 ringgit. I will probably go there by myself. It's no way. Yeah, seven ringgit. You know my burger lab, they got like this Merdeka discount where it's like this 20 ringgit burger. I know, but then like imagine a premium burger from 20 ringgit drop to 7. Like you have to buy that shit, bro. I won't go to another date because I would fail miserably. Yeah. Your Ramly nicer. Or you finished already? I can wear this soon. Were you studying just now? I thought you said you were eating your Ramly burger. I know, I know it's hard, but experience Chinese. I cannot compare AdMaths to Chinese if I haven't did AdMaths. How you eat burger while you do AdMaths? What? Unless your Ramly burger, you tell them kurang swasta. Or else that, or else your setup would be like disgusting right now. No, this is not dry yet. Alright. I'll probably go sleep in 10 minutes. Yeah, I know the Ramly. I don't know why they put the specifically their mayo. They just like pour that shit on the burger. Yeah, at least you know how to order kurang. Memang kurang. At least you at least you sleeping in normal time. I like the Ganesh. But I still cannot believe you eat food and then you go to sleep. I just yeah I just don't know how you do it. Hey, he always sleep at like 2 to 4 because like he study and then he want play Mobile Legend for like at least 2 hours until midnight. The earliest I see him sleep was like what 12. But he always sleep very late on. And then he talk about his heart issues. Uh, yeah, I hope this is dry now. All right. You so tired already? Stop doing at maths. Just relax before you go to sleep. Because there's like no point at it. Yeah, there's like no point anymore. You're not absorbing any more information. Well, I guess it like maths time you can study the concept. It's you can just do practice, yeah, but then like uh doesn't that take brain power? Does that not also take brain power? Like if you're going to sleep, right? At least you don't do. Usually people don't do practice. Usually it's like they read like physics, chem, or sejarah, and you like just skim through the page. So it's like less cortisol. Okay. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab some water. If you want, you go sleep. I'm probably gonna end stream afterwards. See ya. Alright. Then I shall end. I shall end stream like now. I don't know if you are still watching this email or what, or whoever this random guy is. Yeah, I really don't know. Alright, I'm head on. It's been quite tiring, but at least I got the stream working, and yeah, I will continue for the next few days. Alright, goodbye.